Alright guys, so I hope you're doing fine as always. Today I'm making another video about this quick 3-hour scalp that I took on GALA. I did record my chart live when I was looking for this setup, so without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Alright, so now for the actual TA part of the video. I'm on the GALA USDT chart on the 1-hour time frame. So what do we see here? We have this retrace of GALA. But from there, we have this big green vector candle shooting up, recovering these red vector candles right here. So gotta keep that in mind. This is also a time where altcoins are moving independently. Bitcoin is doing its own thing. Alts were mainly doing their own thing. So you also see this EMA line right here. I think it's a 200 is acting as some type of support at least. It's broken, retested, broken, above, below, and above again. But mainly, the interesting part for us here is this big green vector candle recovering these red vector candles right here. So that's on the 1-hour time frame. We have a look on the 15. There's not too much to see here. Going to the 5-minute time frame. So knowing we have this very big move up already, I'm looking for a quick short scalp as a reversal scalp. So just quickly retrace. What do we see on the 5-minute time frame? Right here, that is of interest for us, are these purple vector candles right here. So we mark the recovery of that purple vector candle right there. Marking it off, so that's where our purple vector candle is sitting. We want to look for a short position once these are recovered. We take the wicks right here of these vector candles, which can be a potential liquidity zone. So gotta keep that in mind. We mark it off. There's potentially also some liquidity there, so a potential liquidity grab is possible as well. You could also consider to put an entry on this zone after a liquidity grab. I did choose to go for the vector candle recovery as we are pumping really hard already. So I'm looking for a good reversal. If we go back a little bit right here to our liquidity zone, but if we zoom out on the left side of it, we can also see there's still some red vector candles right here around the 30.27 mark, so gotta keep that in mind as well. So we do put our stop loss around the mark of the vector candle recovery. I did put it tiny bit higher, but main thing here is this liquidity zone, and we want a little bit of wiggle room. For our take profit target, we're looking for a quick retracement into this zone right here. So previous resistance, we want to see a quick retest of it, that it can turn into support or not. So TP around these wicks right here. Yep, we set that up. Put our TP there. And we extend the stop loss a little bit more. As like we said, there's this vector candle recovery sitting at the 30.27 mark. But the main thing is we want some type of wiggle room just in case they go for the liquidity sweep on the red line here. So that's pretty much everything that's to the setup. So without further ado, let's go to the outro where we can have a look at this trade in hindsight. So as you can see right here, the GALA trade, it did tap our entry and reversed from there. The screenshot of the trade, entry at 0.02994 and take profit at 0.02877 right here. So what can we tell about this trade in hindsight? We could see they did go for this full vector candle recovery right here. They didn't go for the liquidity sweep, so a good thing we did target the vector candle instead. We did get this strong move up, and the retrace. This could potentially be a fib retrace as well. Let's have a quick look. Local low to local high. So you could see it pretty much bounced perfectly on the 618 in hindsight. So we could have potentially, oh, let's put the magnet off. We could have potentially aimed for the 618 over there. That's hindsight, of course. Potential better TP would have been the 0.50, as it is still near these wicks right here and into this vector candle recovery right here. So the first unrecovered vector that we see in the move down. But that's hindsight, of course. You got to stick to your plan. We did have a valid TP zone, meaning this wicks right here. This could potentially turn into support. You can see after the bounce of the 618, we did go up and pretty much stuck around this level till now. So that's pretty much everything that there is to this trade. So as always, if there are any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section or on the Discord server. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. See ya. Bye bye.